Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Ethereum. What am I expecting on Ethereum? If you watched my previous analysis on Ethereum, I said I was expecting Ethereum to come down to my negative 27% fib level, which is 118.04. I said I was expecting it to come to that level, and the reason was because of we can see that we broke the structure, right? We broke this here right here, so it shows that we are currently on a downtrend. So I said there's a possibility for it to come to my negative 27% fib level, and as you know that if you've been watching my analysis, I take most of my TP around my negative 27% fib level. So I said there is a possibility it to get there, then whenever it get there we will determine what next, right? But I did not analyze after then, because we see if I go to a bigger time frame, we can see that we always reject off of this trail line right here. We have seen previous rejection off of this trail line, so this is the 6 times that whenever we get to this trail line we reject off that trail line right there. So now that has happened, right? I'm gonna delete my previous analysis. I'm gonna delete this one and I'm going to reanalyze based on the current price action right here. So I'll go to a smaller time frame just to see what we are looking at right now. So as we can see that when we got to my negative 27% fib level, we pushed to the upside, right? And what am I expecting based on that, right? We can see it pushed to the upside and it's currently rejecting around the trail line right here, which means there is a possibility that we are going to continue to push to the upside. So based on that, I'm going to do a quick fib from point A to B right around here, so we can see point A to point B right here. So we can see that this was consolidating around my 38% fib level, and we can see a break of structure here. If I draw here, we can see this as a break of structure around this area right here. Yeah, so we can see after the break of structure we should be expecting a somewhat retest and continue to push to the upside, right? So because we are currently rejecting around this level right here, I still want to see more momentum that will continue to push to the upside. So as of right now, I just think we will continue to push to the upside, and as you know, my targets will be my negative 27% fib level. Around that area is my first take profit before anything happens. But anything can happen, guys. We might still come down here to at least my 61.8% fib level before we now continue to push to the upside. There's a possibility. Let me go to a bigger time frame to see if I can find any imbalances or anything that might actually make us move to the downside. I don't find any from this bigger time frame, so let's just see there's a possibility for it to just continue. So I can draw a short line right here just for us to see what we are looking at right here. We can draw something like this. So as long as we are above this trend line, we'll continue to push to the upside. But if we see a break retest on here, I'll probably write it to 61.8% fib level and probably continue to push to the upside. But as of right now, based on this analysis, we can see that we might just continue to push to the upside, because I'm seeing rejection on this trend line that was broken, and it's also rejecting around a fib level. So that means there's a possibility that we might just continue to push to the upside. So that's my thought on Ethereum, guys. Hope you find this insightful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.